Unit 3, End of Unit Retake. Question 1. There are 20 pieces of candy in a jar and 12 of them are chocolate. What percentage of the pieces of candy in the jar are chocolate? A. 0.6%, B. 0.4%, C. 60%, D. 40%. Question 2. Select all of the trips that would take 3 hours. A. Walking 9 miles at a rate of 3 miles per hour. B. Take a train going 50 miles per hour from Raleigh to Charlotte, which are 150 miles apart. C. Drive 140 miles to the beach at a rate of 60 miles per hour. Question 3. Andrew has completed 80% of his homework. He has completed 4 pages. How many pages was he assigned for homework? A. 3 pages, B. 5 pages, C. 7 pages, D. 2,000 pages. Question 4. A ship captain is mapping a trip and wants to know the distance the ship will travel over certain time intervals. Time in hours, distance in miles. 1, 15, 1.5, 22.5, 2, 30. Assuming that the ship travels at a constant speed, what is its speed? Question 5. Which is shorter, a ribbon that is 12.5 inches long or a piece of string that is 18 centimeters long? Explain your reasoning. Note, 1 inch is about 2.54 centimeters. Question 6. Elena and Jada are 20 miles apart on a path when they start moving towards each other. Elena runs at a constant speed of 6 miles per hour, and Jada walks at a constant speed of 2 miles per hour. How long does it take until Elena and Jada meet? Question 7. Jessica runs 4 laps around the track in 10 minutes. How many minutes per lap is that? How many laps per minute is that? If Jessica runs 18 laps at the same rate, how long does it take her?